How to use syntax in SPSS. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. The first thing is to head over to the top of your screen and click on transform, and then head over to recode into different variables and tap on it. The next thing would be adding in the variables you would like to use. Now you want to add both the numeric variable and the output variable, and go ahead to click on change when you are done adding the output variables. Now the next thing would be heading over to where you see old and new values, and here you want to head over to where you see range lowest through values, and then you'll be checking on the box, and after checking on the box you want to go ahead and add the numeric value. Head over to new value and type in the same number and click on add, and when you are done you want to go ahead and tap on continue. Now that everything is ready, you want to go ahead and tap on paste. And now guys, let's run a syntax on this data, and what you need to do is to highlight everything on the screen. And now after highlighting, you want to go to the top of your screen and click on run selection. Now after running selection, this is what it is looking like. So I'm just going to minimize so you can see the profit range that we just created. Now this is exactly how to use syntax in SPSS. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.